I want to illustrate a problem I've been having with constraints. I'm going to create a new sketch on the XY plane. I'll start with the center rectangle, whose size is 50 by 130 millimeters. Now, this sketch is fine. Everything is constrained. Now I'm going to add a line to this sketch. My line is constrained to pass through this bottom left corner, and I want it to be at 78 degrees. I'm going to set the angle to 78 degrees, and then I'm going to go and modify the length by dropping this point, the upper point, directly on the line, which I click. Now you can see my problem. As far as I can tell, my line here is completely constrained. It's at 78 degrees, it passes through the bottom left point, and it passes through the top point. I can't move either end of my line. If I try to drag it, I can't drag either end of the line. If I try and drag the body of the line, I can't move that. But you can see from the yellow pencil that my sketch still has undefined constraints somewhere. So I don't understand how it is that I can constrain this line. I want a line at 78 degrees that goes from the bottom of my rectangle to the top and passes through this corner. This line seems to do that, but according at least to the icon, the sketch is still not fully constrained. If I click Finish Sketch, you can see the situation here.